Here's how you can turn off microphone on iPhone. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can turn off microphone on your iPhone. So this is a very simple and easy video. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First of all, go to your iPhone settings. Once you go to your settings, just scroll down a bit until you see privacy and security. Right over here, this is the option. I'm just going to press on it. And here, once I press on it, I will be directly able to see the option of microphone. Once I press on microphone, I will be able to see all the apps that include microphone permission. So what can you do right over here is just turn off the switch for the app that you don't want to use microphone for it. So I've turned off my Chrome microphone. Let's say I don't want to use my Discord microphone, also my TikTok and my YouTube, on WhatsApp, whatever. So just turn off your microphone for these apps and you won't be able to use them. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and that's it for this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. So yeah, until then, goodbye and